France seemed to be an outlier in Europe. It had some of the highest birth rates in the EU. Now they've hit their lowest point since the end of the Second World War. French President Emmanuel Macron is pledging to overhaul parental leave to encourage people to have more children. Macron says France will only be, quote, stronger if it revives birth rates. Last year, that number hit 1.68. In Canada, it's even lower, 1.44. The fertility rate would need to hit 2.1 to achieve what's known as replacement level, but it's been steadily declining.
The total fertility rate has fallen to an all-time low in Canada.
The only thing keeping Canada's population from shrinking is immigration, which has reached record highs.
Immigration certainly helps if you're talking about an aging population. But if our birth rate continues this downward trajectory, our population will be aging at an accelerated pace.
Canadians who have children are finding it increasingly expensive to raise them. This new mom from Toronto goes back to work Monday after a year on maternity leave.
I would say it was only enough because my spouse also works. So if we didn't have his income in addition, it would be very tough, especially with, inflation going up. Get the donkey.
This Nova Scotia woman doesn't know when she can go back to work.
If there's one thing that is adding majorly to parents' stress and exhaustion and mental load right now, it is the childcare crisis.
The Liberals rolled out $10 a day childcare, but there still aren't enough spaces. Adrienne Buckland put her son on a wait list before he was born. A year later, they're still waiting. The housing crisis may also be deterring Canadians from having children. Experts on demographics say many people want to wait until they own a home before starting a family. But if that's out of reach, having children may feel like one more luxury they can't afford. Touria Izri, Global News, Ottawa.